Hello, in today's video we are going to show you the Fibonacci tools for Medved Trader platform. It's actually my first experience with the platform. I gotta say it's really not too bad. So you'll have right up on the top here this little draw box. Inside of here we have the Fib Retracements, which are two-pointed tools, and the Fib Expansions, they call it, which is the three-pointed tool. So we'll start off with the two-pointed tool. When we select Fib Retracements, you'll click a high, and then holding the mouse, go down and drag all the way to the bottom. After that, if you right-click on the Fibonacci Retracements, you'll get your parameter window where you can choose a few settings. So I personally only like looking at the 1272 and 1618 extensions. I also like those to extend to the right, and I like showing which extensions they are and showing the values of the line. So that makes it nice and easy to do all that. It also has a really convenient set as default button right here as well. So I will set that as the default. And if we go to draw another one, it will automatically draw exactly how I want it to show up. So I thought that was pretty cool. We can also right click, and that's where we can delete any of the existing drawings. And the next one is going to be the three-pointed tool, the Fibonacci Expansions, aka extensions, projections, multiple different names. But we kind of draw these the same way. We go from a high, holding it down, to a low, we let go, and then we go up and find the next high and click it again. And we need to customize these a little bit as well, so we'll once again right click and do some of the settings I like, which is extend to the right, show the percent, show the value, and then I only like looking at the 100% personally. Then one other thing you can do, just by default it shows all the colors as yellow. You just want to pick a different one for your extension tool, make it a little easier to not confuse those. We can just go ahead and click set as default and OK. And then from then on, all of the other ones we draw are going to be the exact same. Well, I certainly hope that was helpful. If you do have any questions for me, please just go ahead and log into the site, go to Foundation Dashboard, and then click on Simpler Tech. And right up on top, there's a cool little button that'll let you send in any questions you have to me that I can help you out with. Hope it helps. We'll talk soon.